Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel video. In this video, you will know the 8 tips to help you get started with blockchain development. 8 tips to help you get started with blockchain development. Blockchain technology is quickly becoming an essential part of the technology landscape. If you're interested in getting started with blockchain development, there are a few tips that can help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding the basics of blockchain development is key to success. These 8 tips will help you get up to speed quickly, so you can start building powerful and secure applications with blockchain technology. From understanding the fundamentals of distributed ledger technology to exploring the best practices for developing on the blockchain, you'll gain the knowledge necessary to create innovative applications. With the right knowledge and resources, you can become a blockchain developer in no time. What is blockchain technology? The term blockchain refers to the underlying technology used to build cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. The blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that is used to record transactions across a decentralized network. The transactions are recorded across a network of computers, rather than a centralized server. This has a number of advantages. This decentralized system also means that there is no single entity controlling the ledger, so no one can go back and change a transaction. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology means that each computer on the network has a copy of the ledger that can be used to verify transactions. This makes blockchain technology an efficient and transparent way to manage data and transactions, whether it's related to cryptocurrencies, other types of financial transactions, or data in general. Benefits of blockchain technology. Since blockchain is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies, many people might be interested in learning about it because of the financial benefits it provides. Let's look at a few of the main benefits of blockchain technology. Security. The decentralized nature of blockchain makes it much more secure than a centralized system. There is no single point of failure, and it's also very difficult to hack. Low transaction costs. Since no intermediary, e.g. a bank, is required for blockchain-based transactions, the costs are very low. In fact, some transactions are free. Fast transactions. Due to the automated nature of the process, blockchain transactions can be completed quickly. Transparency. Since the ledger is public and decentralized, anyone can view the transactions that occur on the network. Immutability. The data on the blockchain cannot be changed once it has been verified. Understanding distributed ledger technology. Distributed ledger technology, DLT, is the underlying technology used to build blockchain and other decentralized networks. In simple terms, a distributed ledger is a database that is hosted on multiple servers. The data is replicated on each server, and all of the servers hold an exact copy of the data. Whenever data needs to be updated, all of the servers need to agree before anything can be changed. In other words, there is no single central database that holds the information. Each server on the network holds an exact copy of the data, so the system is decentralized. Some distributed ledgers use a permission-less model that allows anyone to view the data, but this is not always the case. Exploring the best practices for building on the blockchain. Once you've familiarized yourself with the basics of blockchain technology, you can start exploring the best practices for building on the blockchain. When you're building a blockchain-based application, you'll need to consider a few things. The business problem. Before you begin building a blockchain-based application, you should gain a better understanding of the business problem you're trying to solve. The blockchain won't solve every issue, so it's important to identify when it would be the most effective solution. The right tools. Before you even start coding, you should make sure that you're using the right tools for the job. You can use a number of open-source blockchain frameworks to help you get started, such as Hyperledger Fabric, Geth, or Quorum. The appropriate blockchain. Once you've established the problem you're trying to solve, you'll need to determine which type of blockchain would be most effective. There are various blockchain networks that you can use to build decentralized systems, but you'll need to consider their strengths and weaknesses to determine which one is the best fit. Focusing on security. No matter which blockchain network you decide to build your application on, it's essential to focus on security throughout the development process. This is especially true if your application will be used by other users, as security breaches could jeopardize the trust users have in your system. Familiarizing yourself with the popular blockchain platforms. One of the best ways to get started with blockchain development is to familiarize yourself with the popular blockchain platforms. Understanding how these platforms work and the specific use cases they're designed for will help you choose the right platform for your application. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known blockchain network. It was designed as a decentralized payment network, and transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Ethereum. Ethereum is also a decentralized network that functions as a virtual machine for running decentralized applications. Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is an open-source blockchain framework that offers secure and scalable solutions for businesses. It is backed by the Linux Foundation and can be used to build various blockchain applications, such as supply chain management systems, identity management systems, and more. Quorum. Quorum is another blockchain network that organizations can use to build applications. It's an enterprise-grade blockchain platform designed for financial services. R3 Corda. R3 Corda is a distributed ledger platform that can be used by companies to build and manage applications. Stellar. Stellar is an open-source blockchain network that allows organizations around the world to connect and exchange various types of assets. Learning the key technical concepts necessary for blockchain development. Once you've familiarized yourself with the blockchain platforms and the best practices for building on the blockchain, you can begin learning the key technical concepts necessary for blockchain development. These concepts will help you understand the blockchain and how data is stored and accessed within a network. Block. A block is a record that's connected to other blocks via the use of hash values. Blocks contain certain pieces of data, and they're linked together to form a chain that represents a blockchain network. Mining. Mining involves adding new blocks to the chain and securing the network. When a miner confirms transactions and adds new blocks to the blockchain, they are rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Hash. A hash is a unique ID that's generated whenever data is stored on the blockchain. Hash values are used to link blocks together and to keep the data secure. Ledger. The ledger is a record of all the transactions that have occurred on the blockchain. Each node, i.e. computer, on the blockchain has a copy of the ledger that it can use to verify transactions. Identifying the benefits and challenges of developing on the blockchain. Security. The distributed nature of blockchain technology means that all nodes on the network must reach agreement before any data can be verified. This provides the highest level of security and makes it difficult for someone to tamper with the data. Transparency. Since all transactions are recorded in a public ledger, anyone can view the blockchain and all of the data that has been verified. Immutability. Once data has been verified and added to the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This is essential for ensuring the integrity of the data and making sure that it's correct. Scalability. Because blockchain technology is decentralized and has no single point of failure, it's highly scalable, which means that it can grow and expand to accommodate a growing user base. Interoperability. Since all nodes store an exact copy of the ledger, blockchain technology is interoperable, which means that nodes on different networks can communicate with one another. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell.